This is a beautiful round silk carpet, but its entire fringe was damaged. Over time, even the finest hand-knotted carpets begin to show signs of wear, especially around the edges where age, foot traffic, and daily use quietly take their toll. Our artisans then weave new silk tassels entirely by hand. Each strand is carefully measured, aligned, and crafted to achieve the proper length, density, balance, and uniformity. This delicate work requires patience, skill, and exceptional attention to detail. Once the handmade silk tassels are ready, our artisans carefully stitch them to the carpet by hand using traditional needlework techniques. Every stitch is placed with precision, creating a strong and seamless bond between the new fringe and the carpet's foundation. The result is a beautifully restored fringe that brings back the carpet's elegance, balance, and original character. Through craftsmanship, patience, and respect for tradition, this treasured silk carpet is once again ready to be admired for generations to come.